Yo, what's up guys? It's Malakai. I'm chilling here with Fingazz, amazing producer and part of the SOH fam. Just wanted to give you a little more backdrop on this Sounds of SOH video and the music behind it. So yeah.
You can see in the video, me and Malakai took the digital recorders and went right up to the guys doing tricks, stunts, and tried to capture the real sound of that movement. And then the point was to show that you can make music out of anything. So we took the sounds back to the studio and I made a song using just the sounds of SOH. And you can check out in the studio a couple clips of me making that music so you can see how it's done. Check it out.
La sustancia. Ready.
Like superhuman.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Substance is definitely substance.
Superhuman.
Whenever you do a shoot for anything, you're guaranteed to get bloopers, some kind of outtakes that are really funny, and we thought we'd share them with you. It's definitely fun to watch. Check it out.
Yeah. Just, you know how we do. Making it up on the spot. Just making it up on the fly, guys. This is what we do. We come up with it right now. We're writing while practicing, while doing this to put up tomorrow. So.
Would this look tight, me flipping with this mask on?
Yeah, that'd be. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you ninja or not? Let me see. With your teeth.
Sorry.
Awesome.
You alright?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
No, it's cool, man.
Eating a banana, eating. Say it in Spanish.
Coyonas es
La sustancia está mejor que el hype. That's awesome. What was hype in Spanish?
Hype in Spanish is hype.
It's hype. It's people.
So there you go. Hope you enjoyed seeing how things get made. A little behind the scenes, having fun.
Also, you guys, make sure to check out Fingazz channel for some amazing videos. Click here on my shirt. Follow this annotation to check out Fingadelic TV. Make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see you back soon. Thanks again. Peace.
Click right there.
Right here.
Do it.
Check out his channel. It's fresh.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
They sound real, they'll be better than fake.